when you have to leap, if you're playing piano, you could move your hand like this, just from one side to the other. Can you do that? But instead of moving our hand that way, it would be nicer if we can move by leading with a flexible, graceful wrist. So when we're ready to lift our fingers from the keys, we can roll our wrist forward towards the fall board, and our wrist rolling forward is what causes the fingertip to leave the key. So we could go roll forward and land. Can you try that? Try again. In really slow motion. Roll forward and then when you release that note, since you're going to be done with the song, you can also roll your wrist forward and put your hand in your lap. So you go up, down, up, down. Can you try that?
Okay.
Up, down, up, down. And then everyone claps. They see your wrists go up and they know, oh, it's time to clap. So now try the right hand, which is going to be harder. You have to go up, land, up, down. Up. Try it again. Roll forward, roll forward, and in your lap. Try it once more. Roll forward. Roll forward and down. Now let's put both hands together. Starting with this A. Remember, you have to have 3. It's a lot to keep track of, I know. Roll forward. Roll forward. And time to clap, everybody. Okay, one last time. With both hands, starting on A. Roll forward. Land on the A minor chord. Roll forward and done. Hooray! And you can push the red button to stop.